this hail came in. Have you ever seen this before? Have you ever seen this before?
No, first time.
How long have you lived in Turkey? Look at all the hail all over the floor. How long have you lived here? Jesus. Look at this. Crazy. Wow. That is crazy. It's the first time seeing this too. It's all over the floor. Look at this. It's pretty unreal. Wow. It's really, really hailing really hard. Look at over in the roof. It's building up more. Holy mackerel. He says it's the first time he's seen this here in Turkey too. Wow. Pretty crazy. Somebody, what's going on? God, hello.